Yo guys, I'm not gonna lie, man. I thought that with it being 700,000 pairs, they will be sitting for some hours. I thought it was honestly gonna be sitting all day. But if you go on the sneakers app right now, bro, go on sneakers app, you don't see any men gratitude 11s, bro. Them things are sold out. That is crazy, dog. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys already know today I'm going to pick up my size 9.5 that hit on Foot Locker. You guys know I usually do not hit on FLX, Champs, or Foot Locker. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one up, you know what I'm saying, with a little bit happy, you feel me? Because your boy honestly has maybe gotten a handful of W's on Foot Locker or Champ Sports. So you guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you did get lucky securing a pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitude if you do have right here. Look at them things, bro. Look at them things, bro. They released today, finally. I know it's gonna probably be some people commenting on today's video, letting us know they probably took an L. Y'all probably done slept on the release. You guys know the FLX app was bugging yesterday. People trying to confirm their pairs. So you might have taken an L, bro. But I still would say, you know, hold your ducats, hold tight, hold steady, because I definitely think Nike Sneakers app will be doing another, you know, restock here very soon. And of course, there's gonna be a lot of pairs sitting in stores, but we're gonna head to the mall now. See if that is true. See if, you know, other stores that did first come, first serve. See if it's pairs sitting. And we're going to see what that energy was like for these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. The Christmas Air Jordan 11 special. They hit us with that nice Gratitude DMP-esque look to it. Gold hits all around it. Super clean in my opinion. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how your release day is going so far with these Gratitude things, man. You guys already know we got a spray on that Aventus Creed, bruh. One of my favorite colognes in the arsenal, man. And then on feet, as you can see, bruh, we have on them Drake Knock the Glides. I could not wait to pull them out. So, you know, I had to come up with some type of fit to get these things off. And it's a little rainy today, so we're gonna see how these things hold up. They're probably gonna be super dirty after the day, but I love these things. We in the Batmobile. We in the Batmobile. Let's get it, y'all. I know y'all might hear the car, bruh. I know we in that scat today. But before we hit up, you know what I'm saying, the mall to pick up these shoes, bruh, I gotta get me a coffee, bro. I've been on coffee heavy. I don't know what's been going on, but like, if I don't have a coffee, then the day not gonna go right, bruh. So we're gonna head to Starbucks, man, to Starbucks, and grab this Starbucks real quick so I can get my day kind of started. I've been up, but I've been kind of just chilling, bro. Like, going with the motions, and get this coffee, bro, get me rejuvenated, and then we're gonna be in the game, chief. How you doing? Yes, sir. Y'all see that thing, bro? Y'all see that thing, man? Ooh, it's a hit too, bro. So this is the Grande Caramel Frappe with extra caramel syrup, bro. That's where you get all this goodness gracious, bro. Look at all that goodness gracious. Oh my God. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and head into the mall, you know what I'm saying? Secure these Gratitude 11s. We're gonna come back to the whip and probably break them down. We might take it back to the crib, but like I said, man, go ahead, hit that like button if you're enjoying today's vlog. Comment down below, let me know how your release is going, and I hope everybody having a good day, man. Boy, yes sir. Hey, like I said, man, you guys do not mind the car. I know it's a little loud, but we do have the 11s, bro. Shouts out to Foot Locker, dog. We got them things, man. I honestly felt kind of too good to be true. I was like, what size are you? What's your name? I'm like, I literally got my screenshot. Please don't play with me. Don't take this W away from me. Now we have them. Let's go ahead and get back to the crib, bro. Break these things down. Because I had to go up to a size 9.5 on these things. That size 9 was a little bit tight dealing with the, you know what I'm saying, the upper being leather instead of mesh. So I don't know if that made a huge difference. I got 9.5 just to make sure we're Gucci. So let's get back to the crib. Yes, sir, man. Like I said, we are back at the crib. You guys see we got that W from the lovely Foot Locker. Hopefully, man, well, I wish I can get dubs from Foot Locker on a more frequent basis, because here in my local area, they do be getting some heat now. So hopefully we keep this momentum going. But here you guys see it, bruh. We have the Air Jordan 11 Retro, white metallic gold and black. And I told you I had to get a size 9.5, bro, to compensate for a little extra wiggle room in my sneakers, you feel me? Let's go ahead and peel these things open. Yes, sir, bro. It ain't nothing like a retail W over the Christmas Air Jordan 11. As you guys can see, bro, these things is looking pristine, bro. I know a lot of people went ahead and copped these things today. So like I said, if you did secure them, bro, let us know down below in the comment section. Let's go ahead and pull both of these out of the box real quick so we can check out both of them. Throw the box out the way, man, and see what we have, bro. You see them, bro. Let me know how y'all feeling about them, bro. Did y'all momentum, did y'all energy change with these gratitudes? Because I know for me, myself, bro, when I first seen them, I was a little bit disappointed in Nike because I wanted the DMPs, bro. We wanted them DMPs to come out. It's almost like the Taxi 12s, bro. They keep giving us the red Taxis, the Royalty 12s, like all these sneakers that look like the Taxis, but they're not giving us the actual sneaker. And that's kind of how I felt with these gratitudes because they look so similar to the DMPs. And it's missing those key components like the mesh upper, the gold hang tag and everything like that. But after, you know, saying further consideration, after looking at these things a little bit harder, bro, these things are 100% a cop. Definitely a double up for your boy. Hey, man, that double up is secured, bro. You guys see it, bro. We have him, bro. Double up on the Gratitude Air Jordan 11 thing. You guys already know, man, OutRank Brand has you guys covered as far as the kicks and the fits. So as you guys can see, we have the Gratitude 11s and the t-shirt that they do have for these, along with a couple other t-shirt designs. They hit us with this joint right here, man. Y'all see it, bro. It goes perfectly with the Gratitude 11s, which you guys see right here. And not only did they drop a nice clean tee, they also dropped a nice sweater too, like a sweatshirt type vibe. You guys can see the logo, the design on the front right here. And then flipping around to the back, bro, is really where you get the nice OutRank Brand official, you feel me? The nice design on the back, which complements well with these Gratitude Air Jordan 11 things. So make sure you guys go check them out, bro. Use my code DaVintage to save 10% off your entire order when you're getting your apparel from OutRank and matching them with your kicks, man. I know you probably got 200, 300 pairs of sneakers, but if you don't got the nice merch, the nice apparel to go with it, you're really taking the L at the end of the day. So go ahead and get right, get your clothing up with OutRank and use that discount code DaVintage to save that 10% off ASAP Rock. So that's not everything I bought today, man. I stopped by dealers on the way out. I did not expect to spend any extra money besides on the Gratitude 11s, but I went ahead and picked up a couple of colognes. I'm gonna put y'all on, bro. I know I usually don't show y'all this stuff, but I'm gonna put y'all on, bro. I smelled this today and I said, I gotta have it. This is the Azoro, and this is the Wanted fragrance right here, the perfume. This joint right here is slap, I'm telling y'all. And then I also picked up this Prada Ocean. I'm gonna put y'all on, bro. The Prada Ocean was probably number 2 out of the 3 fragrances I did cop, so go ahead and check this one out. And then last but not least, bro, you gotta see, bro, we got the Tom Ford, and this one right here is a little more on the expensive side, but this is definitely worth it. This is the Grey Vetiver or Vetiver, however you pronounce that, but this was my favorite fragrance that I smelled today, and I said, yo, I gotta have it. And I gotta put the Vintage Squad on, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Leave a huge like. Go ahead and go crazy down below in the comment section. It's kind of looking like these things sold out in a lot of different places. So before I go ahead and put sold out in the title, let me go ahead and do my research and see how they did. But they flew off a sneakers app, which is crazy. It was 700,000 men pairs. But it's definitely clean. Everybody came up, everybody sold out and copped these things. So go ahead and go crazy down below in the comment section, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And please give a huge thumbs up on today's video. Be greatly appreciated. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So yeah, man, with all this being said, thank you guys for tuning in. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.
Yeah. Fuck about $1 million, I keep it a trend, resilient, they energy off. My image is God reaching deep in the pot, I got features of people like lost. Yeah, RIP on me, TT. The melanin on me, my cheekbone is native, the soil is my where I walk. Some beavers on me, my nigga, go figure my make enemy scoff. Admit it, your energy off. My frequency killer, you soft. I show people love, they act like they above it, but switch when they see me, I'm lost. I tell the truth when I talk. Niggas wanna be me. I used to sleep in the car till my girl when it crashes in car. Now I got a crib down the street. Young niggas made it so far. I never lose what I'm on. For now I'm cool being me. But I need you to match what I'm on. How you wanna play games when I won? I play with cash for the fun. Women looking at me, she think I'm leading her on. I'm doing me for me, hun. I never needed no one. I never bleed around sharks. They're saying you are what you eat, but she wanted me to be lunch. God body from the turf, my hair in the breeze. Bitch, I'm Farrakhan.